Good morning. Welcome to B Studio Museum in New York City. So we created a seamless low-voltage control system tailored to one of the most iconic cultural spaces. By syncing high-performance something motors with a sleek Lutron keypads across 5 floors, Alluring-Window integrated 62 motorized shades into a centralized data network. To book your consultation or see the specs from this project, contact us to get started.